Why does it rain sulfuric acid on Venus? If you think Venus is Earth's twin sister, so the weather must be chill, you are dead wrong. Venus is literally hell. We're talking surface temperatures of 860 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. The air pressure? It's crushing, 90 times heavier than Earth's. Standing there would feel like being 3,000 feet underwater. And the clouds? They aren't made of fluffy water vapor. They are 100% concentrated sulfuric acid. So yeah, it rains acid that can dissolve metal instantly. But here's the weirdest part. That rain never hits the ground. Venus is so insanely hot that the acid rain evaporates mid-air, turns back into gas, and rises up to form clouds again. It's an eternal loop of acid rain that never lands. It's like a cosmic joke. Infinite rain, but the ground is bone dry. So, how did Venus turn into this nightmare? Scientists think Venus used to be just like Earth billions of years ago. Oceans, nice weather, maybe even life. But because it's closer to the sun, the water started to evaporate. Water vapor is a greenhouse gas, so it trapped heat, which evaporated more water, which trapped more heat. It was a runaway greenhouse effect. The oceans boiled off, hydrogen escaped into space, oxygen got trapped in the rocks. Then, volcanoes burped out tons of sulfur and CO2. The sulfur mixed with a tiny bit of water left to make acid clouds. And the CO2? It took over 96% of the atmosphere, turning the planet into a heat trap even hotter than Mercury. It's basically a giant do not enter sign for climate change. Oh, and if that wasn't enough, Venus spins backwards. It's the only planet in the solar system that does this. A day on Venus is actually longer than a year on Venus. Seriously, it takes longer to spin once than to go around the sun. If you stood there, the sun would rise in the west and set in the east. Scientists think a massive object smashed into Venus billions of years ago and literally knocked it upside down. That crash might also be why Venus has no magnetic field to protect it, letting solar winds strip away its atmosphere. But humans are stubborn. We keep trying to go there. The Soviets sent a bunch of probes in the 70s. Most melted instantly. The ones that landed survived for like an hour, sending back photos of a yellow, rocky wasteland before dying. But recently, we found phosphine gas in the clouds. On Earth, that gas comes from microbes. So there is a tiny, crazy chance that life is floating in those acid clouds right now. So yeah, Venus is a hellscape. But it might be a hellscape with aliens.